My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2017 Vauxhall Astra. This vehicle has done 48,500 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On the screen we can access audio, smartphone integration, projection, navigation, traffic, OnStar, text and settings. If you put the vehicle into reverse, we can hear that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, and this Astra also comes with sport mode. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.